Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the anchored coins. Ticker symbol is AEUR. This coin is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, I believe. We're going to go over the information on this coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this coin here. So anchored coins, EUR, ticker symbol AEUR, is a 1-to-1 Euro-backed stablecoin issued by Anchored Coins. A member of a Swiss self-regulatory organization, AEUR is available on Ethereum and BNB chain with planned support for an increasing number of blockchains. So they do have an Ether scan and a BSC scan here. We're going to check out in a second, but this coin just got listed today, December 4th. It'll be listed at 14 hours UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get the anchored coins, all you would have to do, first of all, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. All you would have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search AEUR, and then simply just buy the anchored coins. It is that easy. So 1-to-1 Euro-backed stable coins issued by Anchored Coins. Now, their Ether scan here says there is a max total supply of 4,504,500 AEURs, 18 decimal places, and brand new here because it says only 7 holders so far. So this project is basically hot off the press here. And same with their BSC scan. It says only 9 holders, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 505,199.7 BSC coins. So different supply amounts on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. Now they do have a very lengthy white paper that you can check out, a 34-page white paper that is available to download on their webpage. Just go over to anchoredcoins.com. And yeah, they have tons of info on their webpage. You could sign in on their page there. They have company information. Looks like they have another coin here, ACHF. You can learn about that on their page. There's a button here. It says Get AEUR if you want to get it the way that they offer on their webpage. There's a Getting Started guide. So it says AEUR is a 1-to-1 Euro-backed stablecoin. Discover AEUR, the Euro-backed stablecoin by Anchored Coins, delivering exceptional security and transparency for seamless transactions, along with unmatched price stability. Harness the power of future-proof digital finance, reshaping the future of finance with a trusted digital asset. The euro is one of the world's safest assets and is one of the most frequently traded currencies. By introducing AEUR, a digital asset backed by euros, powered by Anchored Coins, we aim to transform the finance world with blockchain technology. Built on multiple chains. So like I said, Ethereum, BNB chain so far. It said more coming in the future. Goes over the current supply. We have already done that. So AEUR backed stablecoin. Each AEUR is held by an appointed reserve bank. So it says to initiate using AEUR, you can create an account on one of our supported exchanges to purchase or trade, just like you can get it off Mexc Global, like I mentioned. Alternatively, you can verify your identity to become our client and deposit euros into the designated bank account we provide. Subsequently, you will receive an equivalent amount of AEUR. So that's most likely if you click buy AEUR on their webpage, it'll take you over to that, where you can do it that way instead. How can I redeem my AEUR? To redeem or sell your AEUR for euros, you can effortlessly trade on secondary markets, such as decentralized or centralized exchanges like Mexc Global, or dApps, which support AEUR. For sizable redemptions, please get in touch with our team, and then they have an email there, a business email, to redeem through our platform if you're an existing client. How many blockchains does it run on? So we've already went over that. So they have a form at the bottom of the page. It says getting started with AEUR. Fill out the form to connect with the Anchored Coins team. So you could do that if you like. It says they're a company from Zug, Switzerland. Has their address at the bottom of their webpage. And then at the bottom of their webpage, they have some info about ACHF if you want to learn about that. Then the stablecoin info, about us, legal privacy, contact us. Now their white paper, 34 pages long, goes over all sorts of things like gas fees, how to trade your AEUR for ACHF, exchange and brokerage fees, minting and redemption fees, and then they have terms, they have bank guarantee, means of payment, introduction, stablecoin overview, about Anchored Coins if you want to learn about the whole company, glossary and definitions, fees, legal implementation, appendixes. I mean, so much information on their webpage here. It says for the other token here, the one that's ACHF, that one is similar, but it is Swiss francs. So that's what the CHF is for Swiss francs. So both ACHF and AEUR are primarily backed with the corresponding fiat currency. In addition, a bank guarantee in case of default of the issuer is issued by FlowBank SA. So yeah, they're both stablecoins, just backed by different assets. So yes, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know what do you guys think about this project down there in the comment section. Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.